HTML stands for answer A. Hypertext Markup Language. Which of the following element is responsible for making the text bold in HTML? Answer B. Which of the following tag is used for inserting the largest heading in HTML? Answer D. H1. Which of the following tag is used to insert a line break in HTML? Answer C. BR. Which character is used to represent the closing of a tag in HTML? Answer C. How to create an ordered list in HTML? Answer A. OL. Which of the following element is responsible for making the text italic in HTML? Answer B. I. Which of the following tag is used to make the underlined text? Answer B. UL. Which of the following tag is used to define options in drop-down selection list? Answer D. Option. The HR tag in HTML is used for? Answer A. Horizontal ruler. Which of the following attribute is used to provide a unique name to an element? Answer B. ID. Which of the following HTML tag is the special formatting tag? Answer B. BR. Which of the following is the paragraph tag in HTML? Answer C. P.